Title: What is depreciation? Description: Depreciation is the gradual decrease in the value of an asset over time due to wear and tear, obsolescence, or other factors. It is an accounting concept that allows businesses to spread the cost of an asset over its useful life. There are four main types of depreciation methods: straight line, declining balance, sum of the years, digits, and units of production. In this video, we will discuss the following. What is depreciation? What are the different types of depreciation methods? How to calculate depreciation in Excel. Let's get started. What is depreciation? Depreciation is the gradual decrease in the value of an asset over time due to wear and tear, obsolescence, or other factors. It is an accounting concept that allows businesses to spread the cost of an asset over its useful life. For example, let's say a business purchases a piece of equipment for $10. The equipment has a useful life of 10 years. Under the straight line depreciation method, the business would depreciate the equipment by $1. This means that the business would expense $1 for 10 years to account for the decrease in the value of the equipment. Types of depreciation methods. There are four main types of depreciation methods: straight line depreciation, declining balance depreciation, sum of the years, digits depreciation, units of production depreciation. Straight line depreciation is the simplest method of depreciation. Under the straight line method, the depreciation expense is the same each year over the useful life of the asset. Declining balance depreciation is a more accelerated method of depreciation. Under the declining balance method, the depreciation expense is greater in the early years of the asset's life and smaller in the later years. The formula for straight line depreciation is: depreciation expense equals cost, salvage value, useful life first code with caution. Learn more where. Cost is the original cost of the asset. Salvage value is the estimated value of the asset at the end of its useful life. Useful life is the ST formula for double declining balance depreciation is: depreciation expense equals 2 Tarankan depreciation rate book value, where depreciation rate is the straight line depreciation rate multiplied by 2 book value is the value of the asset after depreciation has been recorded for 1 or more years. Units of production depreciation. Units of production depreciation is a method of depreciation that is based on the number of units that an asset produces. In units of production depreciation, the depreciation expense is calculated as a percentage of the asset's cost per unit multiplied by the number of units produced during the year. The formula for units of production depreciation is: depreciation expense equals cost per unit number of units produced, useful life first code with caution. Learn more where. Cost per unit is the original cost of the asset divided by the number of units that the asset is expected to produce during its useful life. Number of units produced is the number of units that the asset produced during the year. Useful life is the estimated number of years that the asset will be used. Using depreciation in Excel has several built-in functions that can be used to calculate depreciation. The most common functions are SLN, straight line depreciation, DDB, double declining balance depreciation, WU, units of production depreciation. To use these functions, you will need to enter the following information: cost of the asset, salvage value of the asset, useful life of the asset. The functions will then calculate the depreciation expense for each year. Conclusion: depreciation is an important accounting concept that allows businesses to accurately reflect the true cost of assets on their financial statements. There are several different methods of depreciation that can be used, and the best method for a business will depend on its specific circumstances. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.